Working in my role and my job now is different due to Excel University because I can trust the work that I do. I can trust my worksheets, and my team members can utilize them as well without having to worry that they might get a different result than I do. My name is Holly Euland, and I'm an audit manager. I've been an internal auditor for more than 10 years now, and I'm currently under the title of audit manager with a government crown corporation. Some of the challenges really were just inefficient spreadsheets, not really knowing the best way to get the results that were needed without doing it in a very manual way. A lot of manual filtering, a lot of highlighting to see what the total would be, and then manually documenting that number and then refiltering and doing it again and again. Excel University has really made my professional life so much easier. The skills that I learned at Excel University and was able to share with the rest of my team has very much made our processes more efficient. One of the key items that I learned that we utilize every day, multiple times a day, are the use of tables and pivot tables. They have created efficiencies for us that I don't even think we could measure. It's been invaluable, hands down. The reporting at the end of the year, because of course we have to report to the audit committee on how we utilize our time and where we spent most of our time. And we were able to use the skills I learned at Excel University and make that process so much faster. Reporting is really just an update rather than a long, usually a week-long process, sometimes longer, depending on how things went. And now it's at most maybe a couple of hours. When you search in Google, you might not always hit the term that you're looking for. The video may not actually meet the needs that you're looking for. And you often, even if you do learn a skill through that Google search and that short video that you might find, there's really no support for it. You don't get to practice it. You don't get to understand whether or not, if you did practice it, if you got the correct result. And really the value over a Google search or any other free resources are that you do get that foundation. Jeff builds it up step by step. He makes it understandable. He makes it fully relatable. He makes it so fun. You get all of the practice files. You can practice along, you can practice afterwards on your own, and then there's small tests of your knowledge, so then you really know whether or not you've understood the content. Who I would most recommend Excel University to would be everybody, and I already do. I make the joke on my team that I know I've mentioned this before, but really if you can fit it into your schedule, you really need to do it. And I think the best part about Excel University is that it really is applicable to everyone. If you use Excel during your day at all, you need to take Excel University. If you use Excel all day in your role, you definitely need to attend Excel University.